Are you looking for the best budget tempered glass PC case? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best PC case on the market. Before we get started with our video, starting at number 1. Corsair Crystal 570X. This is among the best mid-tower tempered glass cases that you can get out there. This ATX mid-tower glass case is offered at a medium size. The Corsair Crystal 570X can support a GPU that has a length of about 14 inches plus a cooler which has a height of up to 7 inches. It is such a medium case and comes with pretty many features. This ATX mid-tower glass case is offered in 3 different styles to offer more options for users who want various aesthetics to choose from. This Corsair Crystal 570X deservedly won the award for the best tempered glass PC case. It is one case that comes with all the components that you can find in a top-notch tempered glass PC case. It is such a beautiful case which features 4 solid tempered glass panels. All tempered glass panels are ergonomically developed to complement each other. The 2 side panels has tempered glass. The top panel and the front panel are also made of tempered glass to make this ATX mid-tower PC case a complete tempered glass edition. This means that users of the tempered glass cases who want all sides of their tempered glass cases to come in tempered glass panel, then they should go for the 570X. One thing that users should know about the case is that this 570 is such a mid-tower PC case and will not offer the exact real estate like the Dark Base Pro 900 mid-tower PC case that was listed previously. But, regardless, the mid-tower case still comes with lots of spaces for premium gaming components. The case is such a premium tower PC component and system. You get to house your graphics card and your CPU coolers in this computer case, but are both limited to a length of 15 inches and a height of 6.6 inches. This computer case is also able to hold radiators that are close to a length of 360 millimeters. This means that users who are looking to use a lot of liquid cooling agent for their PC can do so with this computer case. We also love the fact that this ATX mid-tower case is offered at a pocket-friendly price. This means that users get the best of both worlds, a premium tower PC case at a pocket-friendly price. It doesn't get any better than that. Finally, you should consider the 570X computer case if you want to get the full tempered glass experience out of your computer case as you can. This 570X is possibly the best option for people who need a medium-sized, full-glass tempered panel. At number 2. Corsair Obsidian 1000D. The Corsair Obsidian is one of the best tempered glass PC which users can ever find out there in the market. It can house a GPU which comes with a maximum length of 15 inches. It is able to support a cooler which comes with a maximum height of 7 inches. We love the fact that this is a full tower tempered glass PC case. However, users who have a thing for more color varieties will be disappointed that this case comes in the black option only. This case is for the users who would consider the Dark Base Pro 900 such an expensive case, then this is one of the high-end premium options that users can still choose to build a huge gaming rig. While the Corsair Obsidian may appear as an option for users who have a budget that seems unlimited, it is still a budget option for other users. Pretty much like most Corsair cases, this Corsair Obsidian is equipped with a tempered glass all around it. The front panel is also covered with the tempered glass as well. The Obsidian from Corsair is one of the all-tempered glass cases we have on this list. The Corsair Obsidian is pretty much like the Crystal 570X. The tempered glass PC case is equipped with multiple tempered glass panels. The 2 side panels come in tempered glass. Also, the front panel is made of tempered glass too. The interior space is big enough to house anything inside. It can house video cards and CPU coolers that are big enough to form a huge gaming PC. If you need to use liquid cooling on this device, instead of the 120mm fans, users get the 480mm radiators. This case allows users to run double systems inside because it is able to house both the extended micro ATX and mini ITX motherboard. This is the first tempered glass PC case so far on the list that is able to house the mini ITX and the ATX micro motherboard at the same time. It also has the ability to contain 2 power supply systems simultaneously. While this case is such an option that is not at all pocket-friendly, it sure has lots of features. It is one of the tempered glass PC cases on this list that comes with a wide range of features. Users get a generous form factor, a PSU cover, liquid cooling agents, RGB fans, houses the mini IDX and the micro ATX micro motherboards and more. Finally, this Corsair Obsidian is such a premium device which comes at such an exorbitant price. However, it is such a case that gives you the freedom to build a gaming beast due to its sheer size and features. This is the case for users who have the money to spend on such a high-level case. At number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox MB320L. The Cooler Master MasterBox is such a budget-friendly and feature micro IDX best tempered glass PC case that comes with enough space to fit lots of features for your PC gaming. This Cooler MasterBox is a very pocket-friendly and fully functional micro ITX case. One thing we love about this case is the fact that you can customize it in lots of ways. You can add in everything that your extreme gaming needs calls for. We love this device because of the efficient airflow and effective cooling features. This allows you to install close to 6 different 120mm fans. It is also important to note that this device comes with 2 units of the 120mm RGB fans that have been pre-installed. If the user feels like they can do with this, they also have the option to use 140mm ones instead. Alternatively, users have the option to use 3 different radiators. They can install the 240mm radiator at the top, the 280mm radiator goes to the front panel, while the 120mm radiator goes on the rear side of the casing. However, users still get 4 more expansion slots. There is also a tempered glass side panel too. Moreover, there is a functional movable drive cage which is able to house 2 units of 3.5-inch drives. Alternatively, it is also able to house 4 different 2.5-inch drives. This can be moved either backward or forward due to the circumstances of the situation. One thing we love about this Cooler Master component is the fact that it is such a sleek and aesthetic option which can handle up to 344mm long graphics card. It is also able to handle any 140mm long PSU cover. Furthermore, users get the I/O fitted that comes with 2 different USB ports. Users get 2 different audio jacks with this component. But users do not get the USB Type-C connection with this component. The absence of the USB Type-C connection is such a disadvantage of this component. Overall, this case offers an easy-to-use and a spacious design which offers users the exceptional solution for all of their PC casing needs. This is such an excellent micro ITX case which is a pretty budget-friendly option. At number 4. Thermaltake Versa H18. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is the best tempered glass case is among the most excellent tempered glass PC cases you can get in the market now. With this case, you get to install video cards with a maximum length of 13 inches. You will be able to install a CPU cooler which has a maximum height of 6 inches. It is a micro ATX case which is offered in the black variant only. This simply means that users will only have to settle for a black-colored micro ATX case only regardless of their style preferences. This case deserves to be mentioned among the best tempered glass PC cases. It is one of the good budget-friendly tempered glass cases you can get out there. It is a best tempered glass case that features effective cable management, RGB LED 120mm fans, liquid cooling systems. The fans are used to complement the liquid cooling system of the device. This case offers the best small form factor to help you build such a mini gaming beast inside it. It is such a case that should be considered among the budget-friendly options due to its capabilities and features. The fans helps to initiate cooling effects in this mid-tower system. Since this is a micro ATX form factor case, it is not possible for users to fit in their standard ATX motherboards inside the system. You can much possibly fit your ATX Mini IDX components inside this one and not the micro ATX. We love the fact that this PC casing comes with a smoke-tempered glass side panel, and this is such a solid alternative. At number 5. Phanteks Eclipse P400. This computer case is suitable for housing a maximum GPU length of about 15 inches. It can also house a cooler which comes with the maximum height of 6 inches. It is a mid-tower case, which means that it comes in a medium size. We love the fact that the developers of this Phanteks have gone the extra mile to make this computer case to come in different varieties. This time, this case comes in 5 different variants. This gives users the needed option to choose the best case that appeals to them. This Phanteks Eclipse P400 is among the best value alternatives when it comes to choosing PC cases from any category. We love the fact that it does come with a tempered glass side panel. However, the front panel isn't made of glass. However, we love the fact that this PC case is such a pocket-friendly option. This P400 comes with different features which makes it among the most outstanding PC cases you can find on this list. Irrespective of the fact that it is such a reasonably small mid-tower ATX case, it still comes with lots of space to develop a gaming beast inside it. Due to the ability to house fairly large graphics cards and CPU coolers, you can use this case as a gaming monster. This glass panel PC casing does not have the fans. Instead, what we get are 360mm long radiators to help initiate cooling during the working process of the PC. As a great mid-tower ATX case, it is big enough to hold any micro ATX motherboard. Best rest assured that your micro ATX motherboard can be fitted to sit in any configuration due to the space inside the case. It also houses the dust filters to help keep the PC clean. Therefore, it is cool to say that considering its pocket-friendly price and small form factor, it comes with lots of space on the inside to help house lots of devices. This fact should help lots of users consider this case when considering what glass panel PC cases to buy. At number 6. Corsair Crystal 280X RGB. The Corsair Crystal 280X RGB is one of the best tempered glass PC cases that you can get in terms of the features. This case features RGB fans which help boost its aesthetics. It is a micro ATX case which comes in 3 different aesthetic styles. It has sufficient space to house a maximum GPU with a length of inches, while the CPU cooler can get a maximum height of about 6 inches. The Corsair Crystal 280X RGB is such a good case which is pretty different from all other tempered glass PC cases on this list. This is a small form factor case. It is equipped with 3 various glass panels. It has 1 tempered glass side panel, 1 tempered glass front panel, and 1 tempered glass top panel. We love the pre-installed RGB lights of this gaming computer case. It has 3 RGB fans. The side panels provide the needed aesthetics for enhanced gaming. One thing about this case is the fact that users are limited based on the type of components that they can fit into it. It has a restricted size of the amount of CPU coolers and video cards that it can take. Instead of the 120mm fans, you get the 240mm radiators for this micro ATX device. The fans make it possible for users of the case to get an effective cooling system that the 280X. We love the fact that the micro ATX case also has a dual chamber design that makes it possible to be able to effectively sort out its cable management features. This makes it for users to be able to conceal their power supply systems behind the component. It comes with pre-installed fans. However, with the small form factor, it appears that this case might be slightly overpriced. With the price, users will be getting a premium RGB LED case with effective fans. If you are looking for smaller tempered glass PC cases shaped in the form of a cube which comes with multiple tempered glass panels, then this is the best choice for you. The Corsair Crystal 280 RGB LED case is something that you may want to consider. Instead of going for a smaller casing, Crystal 280X seems to come with enough space. It is big enough to fit in all your bigger components including your graphics card, the full-sized PSU cover, it can house additional PC fans and more. One thing we love about this Crystal 280X is the fact that it has a nice cable management system. It also comes with pretty efficient fan cooling systems. It has the ability to support close to 6 numbers of 120mm fans. If you do not need the fans, you also have the choice of 3 different full-size 240mm radiators. The PC casing works to support a silent working operation. While it is not a pocket-friendly option, it is such a good investment and it is worth considering. This 280X is such a stylish and small device which comes with an excellent performance to be matched by its ergonomic design. At number 7. Be Quiet. Dark Base Pro 900. The Be Quiet. Dark Base Pro 900 is one of the best choices for the best tempered glass PC cases. It is the best full tower tempered glass case and comes with some pretty cool features. It has a GPU length of 18 inches to provide enough space for the internal components. This PC case has a lovely front panel. It has a cooler height of about 7 inches. This is the component that houses the liquid cooling agent that is used to initiate the cooling of the PC. It also comes in different styles. The PC case is such a full tower tempered glass case due to most of its features. This PC case is a premium full tower case which has just a single side panel. This is the tempered glass side panel. This tempered glass PC case actually comes at a price though. However, for its price, you will be getting the full features high-end tempered glass PC cases are known for. This tempered glass device helps enhance the style and appeal of your PC. The premium tempered glass device is properly developed to house all the components of the PC to avoid a compromise of performance. The tempered glass case is used to house all sorts of components in the PC. This particular case is able to support graphics cards which are as long as 19 inches. It can also support the CPU cooling device that is as long as about 7.3 inches. This tempered glass PC case does it all. This case also supports water cooling as it is able to contain radiators that all close to 420 mm in length. It is able to house close to 4 different radiators in one PC case. We also love the fact that this tempered glass case is offered in 3 various color schemes. It is one of those cases that offer a variety of color designs as users are free to select among the black and orange, the black and silver, and the all-black variants of the tempered glass PC case. With such cases like the Dark Base Pro, you get the full features of the best tempered glass PC case. Then again, one of the things that the user will like about this glass case is the fact that it can be customized pretty easily. This is one of the unique features of the tempered glass PC case. This means that it is easy to take out the panel, bracket, and the internal parts of this tempered glass PC case. Furthermore, the tempered glass PC case is one of those cases that lets you easily configure it to get an inverse layout. This is the very opposite of the original configuration of the tempered glass PC case. The thing we love about this tempered glass case is that it is for the big budget spenders. If you have such a big budget to spend on a premium case, then this is one of the tempered glass cases you should consider investing in.